Hi, Danny Thrasher here from Active Research with video 1 in the A2K cable and connector range from ActiveSense. The first video in the series is looking at the A2K starter kit. The kit contains all the components required to create an NMEA2000 micro network. The installer can build a 2-device network which can easily be expanded with additional parts from ActiveSense. The two T-pieces are shaped to allow easy connection, even in the most difficult to reach installations where space is a premium. And I like the way the T-piece stands off the mounting surface so you can easily connect devices and drop cables. Included in the kit are male and female terminators to ensure proper operation and signal integrity. The kit comes complete with a dual-ended UL certified cable which can be used as a drop or NMEA2000 backbone. Simply connect the parts together, hook up the power source with the micro power T, and the network is ready for operation. For more information, contact me at sales@activesense.com. Thanks for watching and see you in part 2.